So friends, continuing with the series, the next in the series will be Act of 1861, and with this Act of 1861, now a series of acts will start which are called Indian Consuls Act, right? So let's understand this act. Now understand it again in the background of the revolt of 1857. The event has come to an end. A new act has been passed in 1858, and besides that, Queen's proclamation was also passed, which we will discuss some other day, right? And now this act is an effort to improve administration in India. It will again be passed by Lord Canning, right? So the most important things introduced with this act is number one, portfolio system. Portfolio system was introduced in India for the first time. Now different members of the executive council of the governor general, they will get separate portfolios, like one will be a finance member, one will be a law member, then one will be defense member. Different portfolios will be allocated to different members, and they will be taking care of a specific department with a particular responsibility. Second thing, the legislative council was further expanded. Now the legislative council was further expanded. That means there is one executive or administrative difference and one legislative change that has been brought about. Now when the legislative council was to be expanded, it was to be expanded in a way that there will be additional legislative councillors. Additional legislative councillors who will number between 6 to 12. They will be nominated. They are not full-time members. They will be part-time members, and they have no right to vote. They are only additional legislative councillors, and the British said that some of these additional legislative councillors can be selected from amongst the Indians. Now what exactly is the plan? See, after the revolt has been crushed and now the administration is taking account of the reasons behind the revolt, what they have realized is that because while passing any of the legislations, the Indians were not given any chance to associate. So the British were not very well aware of the repercussions that can be. जब हम रिफॉर्म्स करते हैं, इंडियन साथ नहीं बैठते, हमें नहीं पता लार्ज सोसाइटी का क्या रिस्पांस होगा रिफॉर्म्स को लेकर, इसलिए शायद रिवोल्ट ऑफ 1857 टुक प्लेस बिकॉज इंडियंस कुड नॉट अप्रिशिएट जो हमने रिफॉर्म्स किए. सो लेट्स नाउ स्टार्ट एसोसिएटिंग इंडियंस. इट विल बी इन द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ द ब्रिटिश एम्पायर कि इंडियंस आर पार्टनर्स इन लेजिस्लेचर विद द ब्रिटिश. तो पहली बार 1862 में 3 इंडियन मेंबर्स वर एसोसिएटेड. These 3 Indian members were 1 Maharaja of Patiala, 2 Raja of Banaras, and 3 Sir Dinkar Rao. Mr. Dinkar Rao was the Prime Minister of Sindhia. So these were basically the ruling elites who were associated in a way that for 2 good reasons. Now related with what Lord Canning said after the revolt, that during the time of the storm the princes acted like the breakwaters. That means जब रिवोल्ट के टाइम पर अंग्रेजों पे आफत आई थी तो अंग्रेजों को बचाने के लिए भारतीय रजवाड़ों ने, प्रिंसेस ने उनकी हेल्प की थी. तो आज उनको एक तरह से हमने कंपनसेट भी कर दिया. सेकेंडली क्योंकि वो इन्फ्लुएंशियल एलिमेंट है इंडियन सोसाइटी के, उनकी एसोसिएशन से हम इंडियंस को अपने साथ जोड़े रखेंगे. दिस वॉज द एम बिहाइंड द इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ दिस एक्ट. So these are 2 most important provisions which we all should keep in mind while doing Act of 1861. Thank you and best of luck.